Okay, we are approaching the Anaina farmers market, which my new friend Parisa told me about. So we're gonna go. It's raining, but it's okay. We're gonna find her and see what's here and see what we might want. But first, I'm gonna go to the coffee truck. Tim's gonna get something, and I'm probably gonna get a matcha or a golden milk latte. Yep. I know it's worth it.
Tell me what it's like.
Well, it's just like
what happened here?
Hello, super duper.
Top racing.
And this is a white pineapple we call sugarloaf in Hawaiian.
Yeah,
And this one is right. My friend want to try.
yeah. We're gonna take one of these back to the villa because we could eat this
จะ
easily.
เอาไปที่ไหน
Oh, it's gonna eat here. I wonder why is
อันนี้ก็สามารถกิน
today. How about this? How about this one?
อันนี้มันเขียวอยู่แล้ว
Oh, you kill? Okay, not right yet.
Okay, this one. It's kind of like you can smell it, and then if you pull the stem, sometimes the stem will come off pretty easy too.
ไอ้พี่ปูลองเอาลูกใหญ่ให้เขาถ่ายรูปดิ
อันไหนลูกใหญ่
พี่ปูเนี่ย
What is this?
This one is like a sweet potato. What is called now?
เอ็ก
Eggfruit. This is a big one.
That's a big one.
I
Yeah.
bought them all because my family.
Okay.
Josh, อันนี้สุกไหมพี่จะให้เขาทาน
ไอ้นี่ปลูกลูกนึง
Okay.
ลูกเดียว
I want to try this.
Yes, I do. I want to try that. I've
It's
never had
taste
this.
like a sweet potato.
Okay.
Yeah.
Very nice. That's cool. I'm seeing things through that.
Sorry, sometimes I speak Thai and I speak with my brain kind of
No,
like.
no, no. That's all right. No worries.
มันจะเป็นปอกตะวันอยู่แล้ว
Oh,
Try it. Yes.
Thank you.
Sugar loop. Yes.
โลเอส
Yes. Can you get some for Tim?
Is it good?
this is delicious. You're gonna have a bite.
มันจะไม่กัดลิ้นนะครับ
Yes, it's no access at all. The more you can eat the whole thing.
Thank
Oh,
you.
yeah.
But not the skin though black. But I say
Right. Right.
try it. Show me.
Oh my goodness.
เอาให้
Isn't that good?
พี่ลูกนึงนะครับ
ก็ลูกในตอง
เอาลูกที่สุกอ่ะ
ครับลูกเมื่อกี้
ไหนอ่ะจำไม่ได้แล้ว
ลูกนั้น
Very good.
เอาไปหาเราจะหยิบ
this one late Now, right? Yes.
And this is for you now.
Well, I want to buy this.
Okay.
You're already, yeah. I want at least one of the sweet potatoes. 'Cause we don't have that much time to eat them.
This I'm gonna open this, okay?
That's fine.
Ready?
Thank you.
Oh, gosh.
You can eat all the coal inside.
Wow.
Yeah, you got to eat in here.
Okay.
But no seed. You can like
Yeah.
Don't eat the seed.
Cool.
spit the seed out.
Okay.
You can throw them here. This is trash.
Okay.
Okay.
Gotta set my golden milk down.
You
Wow, and so you don't have to, like, it's like a sweet potato, but you don't have to bake it?
No.
Oh, so sweet.
It is. Yes.
That's good. Very good.
Oh, yeah. I would just dig into this with a
You like to
spoon.
one more pumpkin? Selling $2 for $5.
It's yummy.
$3.
What is it called again?
2 for $5.
Breadfruit, right?
Red fruit?
Egg.
Egg fruit. Yes.
Egg fruit.
Yes.
Wow. That's delicious.
Very
Two
good.
new things. Those little pineapples and egg fruit. Can I throw this here?
Yes, and sure.
Okay. Eat that.
And อันนี้เท่าไหร่แล้วก็อันนี้
ไม่อันนั้นไม่เป็นไรเดี๋ยวนี้ทำแบบนั้น
Yeah. We'll pay.
Oh, yeah.
He say he charge you only $5 for this pineapple.
Oh, thank you. It's very sweet. And you, one of these, whatever one is ready, I want to take it with me too.
You want one of
And I'll pay you for this one.
มันไม่สุกเลยไม่มีประมาณ2 วัน
It's about 2 days. You know what? I can take the one I have over there for her because my family is still here another week.
ของนี่กลัวว่าจึงเขียวอยู่เลย
Egg fruit.
มันมี
อ๋อ
อัน
มี
นึ
ลู
ง
กหนึ่งอันนี้ประมาณพรุ่งนี้
Oh yeah.
Very
This
sweet.
one is tomorrow.
Okay.
This one is I give it to you guys. I bought already.
Oh, well, you want them for your family too.
Oh, they them be here about a week.
Well, we can buy you another one.
Oh, don't
Yeah, let me buy you another one.
Put one in here and we'll buy
You're
this
so
one.
generous.
Go ahead and put one in and we'll buy this one.
Yeah.
แสดงว่าจะใส่
Whew.
เอาน้ำผึ้งเลย
Very delicate.
I know. That's incredible.
And this is all Thai people.
Yeah.
This is all
Okay.
my friends.
Okay. Yeah. That's nice.
I love all this fresh food.
I know. This is great.
อันนี้ก็ของพี่เดี๋ยวพี่กลับมาเอาพี่จะโชว์เอาไว้2 อันเขา
These look like green beans.
This is a long bean like this.
Is it like green beans?
Exactly.
I guess these are the green beans, huh?
Yes. This is a normal green bean
Okay.
and this is one a long bean.
Yeah. We usually grow green beans in our backyard.
And this one is a Japanese eggplant.
Nice.
Yes.
Love it. It's good eating.
Funny, babe.
All right. I'm a mess.
You still chumping? Chumping?
You got me a big piece.
Sorry.
All right.
And
Yes.
That's a guava?
Yes.
yes.
Yeah.
Nice. What's this?
But I can eat this for
Papaya.
yourself, right?
Papayas.
No, this one is
I'm sorry, mango.
Mango.
Sorry, yes.
and this one is papaya.
That's papaya.
The big
You
one.
have to try this local papaya. It's a
Sure. Yeah.
I was wondering about that.
Lychee.
No, this is a longan.
Longan. Which is different from lychee?
It's a taste. That's a
A rambutan? Okay.
Like a, wow. You want to try?
I don't know if we'll have time to eat all
We don't
this
have time to eat.
before we go. I know.
We only have 2 days.
Okay.
Of course, my young wife's walking off and leaving me.
So we're going to film an episode. She's going to show me her cashew chicken.
So this is Chris of Anahola Royal Honey,
Yeah.
procures his own honey. And yes, they're going to go cook on TaylorKitchen today.